To Spain. Hush.
Man, JoJo Car is back with another video, man. We got my boy Stacks in the video, man. He out here. Telling you already know how you rock it. He got the color that I want. G35 sedan. It's not decent though. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. But today we are working on ZG. He might work on his shit on the sideline. Cause he's like, G, you working on your car, I might as well work on my car. So if you haven't read the title, haven't read the thumbnail, we are working on cleaning these fucking throttle bodies. Obviously, I got some extra shit going on. So if you have the regular OEM ones, I'm gonna explain it for you guys, and I'm gonna actually bring out the OEM stuff for you guys. It's not that much different than what these would be per se, but yeah, that's the thing. So before we really start this motherfucking video, make sure y'all follow the gram Vandalize G. Make sure y'all do that ASAP video, and subscribe to the channel JoJo Cars. And y'all see it on this side a little bit. Hold on, let's step back. Y'all see it? JOJOCRS. I like saying that shit. But yeah, we are definitely I'm finna finish taking all this shit out. I'm honestly just gonna like let it lean over here somewhere or something. Y'all see what I'll do. But I just wanted to start the video before I really start in there. It was hot in there too before, so I left the fan in there. But now it's obviously cool enough to touch. And all it takes to open these is Allen keys. I'll explain. I'll go into more into depth after that. I did unplug my battery just in case anything doesn't, like, I don't know. I just don't want to start it. I don't want to fuck it up. So usually for like a couple things, I'll take my battery off. But I'll go in more depth into it in a second. So give me a second and stay tuned. Alright, so right now we taking off all the bolts on the side. My boy Stacks working on that side, loosening it. So you got to. Y'all ain't see that. Hold on. Like nothing happened. I think I just winked it out. I snapped the camera. Anyways, here you gotta break it first. And then there go the bolt. And there's 4 of them. So I do have the battery unplugged. And I'm not gonna unplug anything off this just cause then if you take anything off or like unplug anything on this thing, you have to reset the ECU for some reason. I don't know, so don't ask me why. Ask Nissan. Fucking, you see Nissan is right on top of there. Ask Nissan. Don't ask me. Okay.
I believe it's for every car as well.
Probably every car. But fuck Nissan, so I just like blaming Nissan for shit.
Paying for all the problems.
Cause they was doing some dumb shit. For real. But yeah, basically you just gotta take all these off. I'm working on it right now. This is like nothing that hard. I forgot to tell you guys about the intake. If you guys have OEM intakes, I'll show you guys in a second. Another screw. Alright, so if you have OEM intakes though, just to stop it in between, all it is, oh shit, yeah, all it is, So say, I don't know which one. I think this is the left side, but it's just literally these two clamps right here. 1 and 2 that you have to loosen. And then you basically have to just remove this. And then you should have all of this in play. Basically what I did was I had to remove this clamp right here. And then the clamp on top. And it's basically the same thing. It's just 2 clamps. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. If y'all was tripping like, oh my god, how did he take it off? It's not hard at all. Just 2 clamps. So I got half of that thing off right now. I don't know if I broke the bottom one. Did you break all those?
Yeah.
Here, I'll grab it.
You want to finish it off?
Yeah, I'll finish it. So we're about to do the switcheroo right here. He about to go break those while I just take this out real quick. Ooh, I done dropped this bitch again. Yes, sir. Alright, bet. So we got 4 off, and all they said was to just look at that baby. That baby dirty. It was time, baby. It was time, baby.
On this side where you put them.
Huh? Oh, you see on the orange thing? Yeah, but it was definitely time for that to be changed. That's probably why. Oh, you know what I forgot to show? That it was idling at 1. I should have showed that. I'm so sorry I didn't show that. Damn, now I feel bad as hell. Yeah, because it actually, like, I didn't see anybody show the actual problem of it idling actually rough at 1K. Like, my shit was actually idling at 1K. Maybe we'll see it after, but because I think you have to reset it after anyways. But you have to start it, then you have to turn it off, wait 2 seconds, wait 10 seconds, and then reset the some shit, bro. You gotta do hella shit.
Relearn?
Yeah, the idle relearn thing.
You should make another video of that.
So yeah, I can make another video of that too. So it'll all be in this one, and then I could probably like split it up or something, but depending on how long this shit's gonna be. But right now, all screws are off. So we got look at the back of my throttle body, dirty as shit right now, and I'm gonna take some pictures. Damn, like that shit dirty, bro. So yeah, that's after what, 90K miles. I've never cleaned it. Who knows if the person before me cleaned it? I doubt they cleaned it. Like y'all see the back of that, dirty. So that's probably why my shit running rough right now. Low-key, my whole engine bay low-key dirty. But we gonna be back. I got my shit in there, and we're about to start taking off the spark plugs in a second. First, I might just clean these, just so I could maybe cut up this video. And then yeah, just stay in tune to what you see. What you see is what you get, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we got this. So this is like carb and shit, like cleaner or whatever. So they say use like a toothbrush, a clean toothbrush or whatever. It don't even gotta be a new toothbrush. And just like either just use it and scrape in here, spray, and just scrape, clean off that carburetor. You want to clean everything off after. You see it's already getting mucky and shit. Look at that. That was a clean toothbrush. So, and I have a microfiber under there just in case. Just in case it starts dripping down and shit. I just put it in there just in case, just so it don't fall into the engine or nothing. But damn, y'all, that shit dirty as hell. So y'all can see here. Oh shit, clean y'all carbs. I ain't clean mine yet. So y'all be thinking I'll be on top of everything. I don't. That's just crazy. That's just crazy, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna grab. Grab another microfiber, and this was like $4. Like we was looking at some other things, but I don't know, just some decent cleaner, bro. Look at that. And I did take some pictures, so I'll show some before and after pictures of everything. But dude, that is a difference, bro. Like, look at that. That's a decent carb now, bro. And I'm gonna still scrub it a little bit more, a little bit better behind the scenes, you know. Of course, you gotta do that. You know, sometimes we get a little camera shy glass. No, I'm just playing with y'all, but yeah, it just takes a couple times. I'd go over it a couple times if I were you. Y'all don't want to see me going over it like 100 times. I'm sure. I know this shit gets fucking boring. Y'all just want to see how to do it. But y'all seeing it right here. Just clean inside that motherfucker. See all that dirt lifting up. Right? And then just wipe it out. Try to clean that mug out. After this, we are doing the spark plugs first. So stay in tune for the spark plugs and everything. So, dude, that's just crazy. Who would have thought? This is, I have 90,000 miles on my car. So it is time, and if you have around the same amount, I would say go get them clean or clean them yourself. Y'all see what it takes right now. Trying to just get all around it, all in there. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to just keep doing them, and I might do it just a little bit more times. I don't know if I'll fucking see like all that. I might just, you know, fuck with all of it, just clean it all, try to clean all. Yeah, y'all see, look, the difference right now, y'all could even see it right now between this and that. So that's crazy. So that's probably just fucking some shit up. So we're doing that, and then we got the spark plugs. I think my boy brought one over. Yeah. Put it right here. So we got the spark plug. These are Bosch, cause I you know, usually think that OEM is better. People always say OEM was better, so I just OEM. Fuck it, bro. You know, better than probably the ones that they came with. So either way, this is all regular fucking maintenance. My boy holding the camera for me, boy. Make sure y'all fuck with him. Stacks on IG. Hold on. And he low-key did. He copped the sweater, and if y'all look on my Instagram, Vandalize G, I'm about to post pictures of him wearing the sweater. So I should be doing that pretty soon. Hopefully I could do that right now, cause now that I just remembered. But I'm gonna keep cleaning these, and we're gonna see what it do. So stay in tune to what you see, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we got everything back together finally. Oh yeah, we did not put the battery back together. So the battery is just chilling. Big kosher. So that battery is on there. I think it's a 10 mil. So all it is. Hold on, make sure that is on there. Yeah. Just make sure it's hugging that joint. Put that mug back. Man, oh man. And let's hear this mug roar, buddy. It hasn't been started in some hours now, since I got to the crib or whatever. Here you go, grab this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. JoJo.
Yes, sir.
Here we go with JoJo's car. Check engine light did go away. I don't know why, but hey. Alright, so right here, one, my check engine light went away by itself. Don't mind all these other lights. The other lights is literally just one sensor, right? So my check engine light went away by itself, and right now I'm in neutral. Actually, y'all can see N. Before, when I was on N, I wish I would have showed you guys before. It would be idling at 1, and it's not supposed to be idling right there. Exactly. It's a little bit still high too right now. So maybe it's still warming down, but when I'm in drive, it goes back down. So it's straight, and then park. So it's like in the area where it should be right now. But I do have to do the idle relearn, so I'm about to do that for you guys in a second. But shit, changing the spark plugs, and that wasn't even bad. And cleaning the throttle bodies. And we're gonna take a little drive after this too. I know Stack's ready for that one. So yeah, we're about to get ready and finish cleaning his shit. And y'all hear that mug purring? That shit was probably good to do. This shit probably gonna push better, huh?
Way better. It's gonna give a clean shift and everything.
It's not idling at 1 no more though. That's what I'm really worried about. Like when I went into neutral, it was idling at 1. I swear to God. And no, and Stacks was actually there too. Look, it's idling more at 1 too right now. Yeah, it's lucky high idling kind of high, but it's better than it was.
See, it drops to 650.
Look,
right there.
Yeah.
And
Like he's seen it. Yeah, it was
and
definitely at 1K, and it just stayed at 1K. When I would stop at a stoplight, yeah.
Now your shifts when you're driving,
They're gonna feel way better, yeah. So, bro, I wish I would have showed you guys before, because when I was in gear, when I would just be sitting at a light, it would be at 1K. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? I was like, what the fuck is wrong with my shit? And Stacks was with me when that was happening too, bro. I'm in neutral and under 1K now, but I'm gonna do an idle relearn. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a second. I'm gonna just stop it for now and start it again. Just to check everything out. Hopefully we could see when the check engine light comes on. I know it's gonna come on because it's only because of the test pipes that I have. So yeah, we'll see. Leave that on for now, and then now we're gonna head and finish Stack shit. So yes sir. Yes sir, Ski. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna work on his shit. So we are done with this for now. I'm gonna turn it back on when I do the idle relearn. But for now, make sure you guys follow the gram, Vandalize G, and subscribe to the channel, JoJo Cars. I hope you guys learned something. Definitely hope you guys learned something. And nothing left to say for now. Stay in tune for the idle relearn, and JoJo out. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, my check engine light still hasn't came on, but it does feel way better. Y'all get to see pulls. Like, it feels way fucking smoother. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Look at that. Fucking Celica thought he was fast. Yes sir, y'all see that Infinity? Yeah, this thing sounds way better. And it is idling where it needs to be now. 650. It just started doing that, so just to show y'all that. Now it's the end of the video.